One afternoon like this, I just did my house. And I hear knock. Who be that? Say na Lucky. Which Lucky? Say Lucky, Mama Nkechi pikin. Mama Nkechi pikin, Mama in court. Be the reason say na the money where they owe her na she send person make come collect. My mind court. He come enter say Mama won't see me. I say, wetin happen? He say Mama say make me come. I say okay carry my shirt I waka go Mama Nkechi house. I say Mama Nkechi show me list. He say he won't know people when they buy something from her. He won't see their name one by one. In the sense say he won't make all the ones when they buy, because if you notice this list now, you see names they repeat itself. As they buy, he will just put their name down like that. You see Grace, Ada. He won't just see say all of them they one place in a unique way. Okay, I say so. And how much all of them don't spend. He won't see how much people when don't buy something and how much they don't spend from them. I say, it's not small thing now. Okay now. I say, okay, you go use this formula that they call unique. Enter on like this. It go show you wetin unique they talk about now. Say it go look into group of cells what they call array. It go look into one like this. It go check all the names will repeat itself. You go come out and you go carry them only once. You see them, ba? So see the names just appear only once. So now waiting Mama Nkechi want to see when you want to see that when you don't know how to talk am. So now you want to see how much Tunde don't spend. So far when Tunde don't they buy something for your hand. Or Grace, or Zainab, or Ada, or Emeka, or Uche, or Aisha. Because no worry, I use some if. Enter some if like this. They go ask you range. Range now the names, the original customer name, all of them like this, you mark them. Now there be the range. Then the criteria. The criteria where you go click now. The criteria when they ask now the unique names, where we later get out of our unique, where we use our unique function to get. So some range now where the money dey. You see this column list, this column where money dey, amount paid column. Now there you mark all that one, go down like this. You no go put date to now later one you go you enter and see all our answer don't come. So as I show like that, she happy. Mama Nkechi happy now. She say, bros, that money where you dey owe me, I don't dash you. That man I took kuli where I buy for you and I never pay. Uncle Protect don't solve this matter again,
Wait a minute. Who are you?